YouTube, what's going down YouTube? You guys already know what it is. It is Woods, and I'm back at it again with another haircut tutorial for you guys. In this video, we went ahead and did a high drop fade, a little bit of a drop in the back, not too much, on some dreadlocks. The result came out super dope. I was only able to get one side in the back of the haircut for you guys, and that's just because the other side that I was doing was a little bit too blurry. I'm still working on them angles for you guys, so you guys definitely want to tune in because they're just getting better and better. But this is definitely one you're going to want to tune in for. It just basically really shows you how I fade one portion of a fade at a time and then connect the sides into the back. If you guys like this video, man, don't forget to go ahead and smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and go ahead and subscribe because we're dropping dope content just like this one. I'm not gonna waste any more time, guys, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright YouTube, so we're going to go ahead and start this tutorial off by going ahead and combing everything out and into place. Now I have my one guard going with the grain, making sure everything is knocked down nice and even. Also pushing the locks out the way so I don't nip at them. Now that everything is knocked down, I'm just prepping the line with some hairspray. Now jumping into the lineup, I start in the highest point, which is in the middle, and I do one side and then I match the other side to the side I just did. On this lineup in particular, it is a lot higher in the middle, so this is a professional pushback because I don't want to leave a gap in the middle of his forehead. I want everything to look nice and full. Now it's time to go ahead and hop into the fade. So now I'm setting in my ball guideline, starting where the C cups would start, going ahead and taking it straight to the ear, starting in the back and matching the points together. Now it's time to go ahead and hop into this blend. I start with my masters all the way open, taking my guideline up about 1 inch. Now I hop in with my one guard all the way open, going up about 1 inch, but at the top I start to flick out so I don't try to set in another guideline. Now I close my lever and I try to soften up that line that was created from the lever open and the one guard open. Now I go ahead and jump straight into the back with the same steps, my lever all the way open, going up about 1 inch. Slapping on my one guard, going ahead and going up about 1 inch, flicking out at the top. Then I go ahead, close my lever, soften up that line that was created by the lever open and the one guard open. Now it's time to go ahead and take out that ball guideline we set in with our trimmers. I have my gammas all the way closed, and I just go ahead and nudge at that line, and then I click my lever and I repeat the steps until I'm all the way open, ensuring that I'm not passing the guideline I had set with my lever open with my masters. So now I go ahead and I slap on my half guard or a zero guard depending on what guard system you're using, and I start flicking out, doing some lever play, trying to get rid of that middle guideline. Hopefully you guys get at this point that it's literally the same exact steps for the sides for the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead, be quiet, and allow you guys to watch. So since the back is a little bit more denser, and I know you guys are probably like looking at me like, man, is he struggling? No, it's just the back is dense, so I have to grab a couple more guards and do some detail work. So right here is just some detailing work just to get the blend looking nice and blurry. Now it's time to razor up the cut. Nothing gets closer than that razor. So I go ahead, pull the skin, keep the blade flat, and take it straight to that line. Man, you guys see this cut is all crispy and it don't need enhancements, but it was upon client's request that he wanted enhancements. So I go ahead, grab my enhancement card, and making sure I'm spraying at a good distance, always checking just to make sure it's not too dark. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you liked it, don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Love hearing what you guys have to say down in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button because we're dropping dope content just like this one. But this is Woods, and I'm out.